Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Caramel apple taquitos. That's what we're going to make today. These should be good. Quick and simple. Alright, I've got 6 tortilla shells spread out here. Now you can do as many as you want, but all I need is 6. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I have some pre-made caramel sauce that I'm going to put down the center of each one of these tortillas. Just like that. A little bit hard to squeeze, but it's alright. Yes, I'm in my comfy clothes. Been in here cooking. And I've still got something else to make today. Okay. I'm going to take a spoon. Just got a little bit of butter on it. It'll be fine. And I'm going to spread that out some in the center of these. Just like that. And then I have some apple pie filling. It's the pre-made kind. Like I said, quick and easy. But we're gonna put us some apples on each one of these. If you're gonna do more than this, you'll need 2 cans at least. But again, you can use your own apple pie filling recipe. I don't have one. I do, I'm kidding. This is supposed to be easy, y'all. Quick and easy. Then we're going to roll them up. Put a little butter on them. Sprinkle them with some cinnamon and sugar. Yeah. Put your seam side down. Alright, y'all can see me now, can't y'all? There you go. Let's see that better. You couldn't see it at all just a minute ago. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. I just know these are going to taste good. I'm going to spread them out just a little bit of room there in between. Let me wipe my hands off. Now I'm going to brush these with some melted butter. You can mix up your cinnamon and sugar if you want to. Now there's a way to make this lower carb. These are the low carb tortillas that I'm using. You can take monk fruit sweetener and some cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg if you wanted to. Mix it together so it cuts way down on the sugar. And again, make your own pie filling. A lot of times you can find the no sugar added pie fillings. You could do that if you wanted to. But okay. There we go. Yeah. We're just going to shake a little bit of this on there. Again, 350 degree preheated oven. Just put however much you want to on there. However much makes you happy. Okay. Now, in the oven for 15 minutes and then we'll be right back with it. If only I could tell you all how good, well, I can tell you how good they smell all day. But until you make them and taste them, you're just not going to know. So, y'all think about making these, okay? They're so good. We've had them before in we're going to let them cool down and while we're having our supper. So you all take care. I'll see you the next time. By the way, what y'all cooking? Bye.